Hi, I'm Alina S.P. Galarzo, and today is June 6, 2020. I am going to show you my paper with the structures on it on this side. These are the structures. Okay, and I'm going to start by showing the lobes of the brain after my dissection. Okay. Start with this side. So we have the we have the frontal lobes, and then the parietal lobe up here, and then we have the temporal lobe down here on the side, and the occipital lobe is down, like back here. Okay. And on this side as well, I'll show you the frontal lobe, frontal, parietal, temporal, and then the occipital down here. Okay, and then I'm going to show the sulci are these lines here that make up on the brain, and then the gyri are in between. That's the matter that's in between the sulci, in between the lines of the hemispheres of the brain. Okay, then the longitudinal fissure, which I already cut. The brain looks like this. Longitudinal fissure is the one that goes all the way down, separates the two hemispheres, and this way. And then the transverse fissure, which I did not cut, but it's back here. It would be, these two lines, or this line back here, that separates the forebrain from the hindbrain. And I didn't cut it, but you can kind of see this is the hemispheres, and then the hindbrain is back here, and the transverse line would just be right here. Okay. And then corpus callosum, that is this. Oh, my camera like this. Let me show my pointer. That would be this right here. I cannot see. That'd be this right. I can't see. That would be this right here, the corpus callosum. That's this all right here. And then the thalamus, you can see it better on this one. So my thalamus is right here. This is the thalamus. And right underneath it, this matter right here, this is the hypothalamus. Right underneath the thalamus, that's right here. Okay, then the medulla oblongata is this, right before the spinal cord. This is the medulla oblongata, and the cerebral cortex is pretty much the forebrain, which is this whole section of the brain. So that's like the frontal part of the brain. The white matter, which I'll show you in the cerebrum. You can see. You can see the white matter in the cerebrum right here. That's all white matter inside there. For the gray matter, compared to the gray matter that's right here, and like surrounding it, the white matter is right here. And then the meninges, that's this skin that protects the brain. One of the layers of the meninges is the dura mater. So that's just the skin that I peeled back for you to show you. This is the meninges. Okay, and that's my brain. Thank you.